Hello again. This is a more detailed account of just one of the many issues raised in my main video, which I suggest you watch next if you haven't seen it already. You'll find a link in the text below and at the end. So, here we go. Right, in the front of this under-seat locker, let's go and have a look in here. Can you see? That is a gas pipe sticking out into the locker. So anything that's in this locker here, when you jam on the brakes in emergency stop or something, things can go flying forwards and it won't take much of a knock to cause a leak on this. And here you can see a whole cluster of cabling here, which is also a bit vulnerable. Think of something like sliding along here and hitting this. It could cause a lot of damage. And so this is the underseat locker, which I can't really use. So let's have a look at the gas pipe from the inside. This is the underseat locker, and you can see the vulnerable gas pipe there. So anything in this locker can slide forwards and hit the gas pipe. So I've had to be very careful about what I use in this locker, and I've also put a number of safety features in here. There's a heavy frying pan in here, and I've screwed this plastic box to the floor of the caravan. I also carry an empty water container, and can you see here I've screwed on what is effectively the plastic front of an old freezer drawer. And the reason for that is that behind here, you can just see it, are all sorts of electrical connectors which were totally exposed. So anything bouncing around in this underseat locker could cause damage to the connectors there, which are potentially dangerous. This is a mains voltage one. Well, there you go. I hope you found that interesting and useful. Your comments would be much appreciated. In a moment you will get an end screen where you can go to my main video or jump to the playlist of all my videos in this series. And of course, do subscribe to get notifications of new videos when I post them. Thanks for watching and happy caravanning!